My name is Ravichandran, and I have a fairly long, maybe more than a year association with Dr. Shubhashini's Physio care. Our first interaction was during my father-in-law's problem with his rib injury. So that's how we got in touch with her, and our experience has been very, very good. First thing is proximity to this clinic is very close to our residence. So at any time, we can walk the distance and then get to a clinic and get the treatment. So that's a first positive, I would say. Second one is a very good doctor. She's been very patient and diagnosed the problem correctly and gave the treatment. So I would tell about my case, how I started. So the first instance was my hand had pain. So at the time when she was giving treatment to my father-in-law, so I just mentioned that I have a pain here in my hand and what can be done. So she immediately diagnosed the problem and said, take 3 or 4 days of ultrasound treatment and it will be okay. And exactly after 4 days, completely it vanished and I became normal. So that was my first touch point with her treatment. Then unfortunately, a couple of months back, I suffered a heart attack. And I had to immediately undergo angioplasty and then have got stent. So at that time itself, I had slight pain in my hand. It was less at that time, but after the cardiac attack, it got aggravated. So after I got discharged and came back to my home, the pain was more. I could not even move my hands and it became very difficult for me to do my normal activities. So again, immediately we contacted her and then diagnosed as frozen shoulder and suggested immediate exercises to begin with, take physiotherapy. So again, we immediately, since we have already had experience, immediately said yes, we will take the physiotherapy from Dr. Shubhashini, and then we started that immediately. The kind of treatment she has given for the past, I would say, more than a week, I think 9 days of session, and I'm already able to lift my hand. It was so difficult for me to even lift my hand up to this distance. So I'm now able to lift completely up, and my movement is almost, I would say, 80 to 90% back to my original activity or original shape. So I think I'm very confident that with these exercises and few more days, I think I'll be 100% back to my normalcy. Also, this since I had angio and we had to take some opinion from our cardio doctor, but she understood the problem and she was very careful enough to do this with those constraints that was there for me during this period because I'm still recovering. So she did this both this IFT and ultrasound treatment so well, taking acute care that it doesn't affect my other heart problem. So that was really good. Really enjoyed the treatment, and the proof is in pudding, right? So I am able to now move forward and move my hands. It itself justifies the kind of treatment that she gives and how successful. So this is a big testimony of the treatment and effectiveness of the treatment, right? So definitely a very good pair of hands for physiotherapy, and I would recommend this to many patients if they are wanting to take physiotherapy. Definitely, we would recommend 100%. There is no doubt. And always, even apart from the physiotherapy treatment, that's her profession. She always keeps in touch with us and then inquires about other things also, about our health. And even today, she inquires about my father-in-law. How is he doing? Where is he? And all. So this talks about her other relationship development with the patients, not only in the treatment part, but also generally a very good individual, I would say, to go and consult with. Definitely a very good doctor.
I want to add one more point. He had a lot of pain in between. She suggested just try with these exercises and it will suffice, like it will come down. So what we thought was just follow her instruction and see what happens. And did all the exercises which she taught, and he did sincerely. So, the pain drastically came down. Just hardly, I think we did 10 sessions with her. That's it. So what he was there in the first session and what he is now is very much improved. Within 10 sessions, he has improved very much. And one more thing is her charges are also very less. It's very, very reasonable. And another point what she suggested is, he had lot of pain in the back, and otherwise he doesn't go to work now. So he keeps seeing his mobile. So the postures are different. And we told her that, and she told kindly buy one stand, or so that your posture will be straight and you will not have much pain. So instead of tablets, she suggested all these small changes which will help him to improve his posture, pain and other things. So we bought a stand and it has definitely improved. And also the work-wise, sometimes he sees his emails. So she suggested to keep the laptop at a height and then see the emails. So he did that, and all her suggestions, what I am trying to tell is, instead of tablets, all these small changes has helped the patient a lot. I am seeing him 24/7. He has definitely improved from what he was before 10 sessions and what he is now today. And definitely I am seeing improvement. No doubt in that. So I wish Shubhashini ma'am all the best for continuing her physiotherapy, and so that other patients get all the benefits of what she is doing. Thank you very much.
And finally, the last but not the least, I would really like to congratulate this institute, this center, for having completed successfully 5 years, which is great. I didn't know actually, because we have been there with this for a couple of years only. But a great job, I think. The 5 years in this field with the competition that is available around, I think it's a significant milestone in her career, and I would wish her and the team a very long, successful career. And we would like to touch wood, not much problem, but whenever we have issues, probably we would definitely get in touch with her, and I would like to recommend the treatment to many people who are suffering from pain or this bone related or muscle related issues. So definitely congratulations to the team and Dr. Shubhashini for these 5 years. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's been really great, and I'm able to live the painless life thanks to you. Thank you so much.